Thanks for tuning in to episode 2, everybody. We're still in the strip down process, so we're just gonna do some more fast forward stuff, just showing you some of the things that need to be done for cage install and also to prepare it for paint. Since we're going from a red to a white, the body shop is going to need every single thing stripped off the car down to bare metal. And you're going to see some of that process here, as well as some window removal. A friend of mine, Bo, came in and got the window out, and I got some footage to show it to you. What you're seeing now is me taking the fenders off, working my way towards doing the wiring harness. So the fenders, they weren't too tricky. The bolts are all pretty obvious. There's 2 up by the headlight. There's several across the top. There's 2 that you got to get to through the door. And then there's the bottom 2, which are on the pinch rail, which I had to grind and break all 4 of those off on both sides, unfortunately. So those were definitely the tough ones. Once the fenders came off, it gave us the opportunity to get to the wiring harness because it runs through the fenders. We decided to remove all the harnesses because we are getting a custom harness made. So while we were at it, we decided to get that wing off the trunk. I'm gonna probably just leave it a stock trunk for now. Definitely didn't like that V6 wing. Definitely needed that off before it made it to paint. It was easy peasy. Four studs. The bolts come out and no more hideous wing. We want to show you the process of glass removal. Had Bo's glass come over and take the front windshield and the rear window out so our welder can have an easier time putting the cage in, and all the windows will also need to be out for the body shop to paint it as well.
Blades.
Okay.
No, I mean, this one comes all the way up here.
Oh wow.
See,
so that's a final.
Slice a little at a time, you know, instead of popping a hernia, you know.
Oh yeah, and it still looks like it's thick to get through. There you go.
This is designed, this part stays against your glass. This is just notched a little.
Now we have the windows out, and we also have a lot more done, so the body shop will have a little less of a duty when the car gets to them. So feeling accomplished, and now it's the time to send her off to the welder. Thanks for tuning in, and look forward to showing you the rest of the build and getting this bad boy turned into a Coyote.